Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another video today. We are making mutton kolhapuri. So let me just run you through the ingredients first. I'm just going to run you through the ingredients. The exact details are placed in the description box, so please do have a look. We'll start with 500 grams of mutton. The key element here in this dish is to make the kolhapuri spice, so the masala. And the ingredients that you're going to need to make that special kolhapuri masala are as follows. You need 2 chopped onions, some desiccated coconuts, star anise, coriander seeds, red chilies, poppy seeds, bay leaves, some additional spices here, peppercorns, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, cinnamon and cloves. For marinating the mutton, you will need ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric and some salt. We have some oil here which we are going to use throughout the cooking process. Besides that, to make the gravy, we'll need some additional ingredients here. So we have 2 more chopped onions and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. We've taken around half a cup here. The first step would be to marinate the mutton. So let's just go straight into it. So just add in 1 tablespoon of oil to the mutton. And we'll also add the ginger garlic paste here. Add all of it. Here's the turmeric as well, and you just want to add a little bit of salt here, not too much, just a little bit. That's great. And then we'll just mix everything nicely. And there you see guys, so our mutton is now marinated. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for around 1 hour now, and while it's there, we're going to start with making our kolhapuri masala. The first step would be to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. The heat is set to medium flame. Let's just add in the spices. So we'll add all the whole spices first. Just add them one by one. And let's keep adding them. And then we're going to just keep mixing all of these whole spices till we hear a nice crackle of the seeds. Now we are hearing a light crackle now. At this stage, we are going to add in the onions. We're going to saute them. Just keep sauteing them for, let's say, 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, we just want to add around 1 tablespoon more of oil. And we're going to continue sauteing this till our onions are ready. They're just about translucent. Guys, so now our onions are ready. At this stage, we will add in the coconuts as well. And you will not miss the excellent aroma that's coming out at this point in time. We're going to keep mixing everything and sauteing them until the coconuts turn golden brown. As you can see now, our coconuts have browned up nicely and the mixture is ready. We are just now going to let it cool down for a bit and grind it into a fine paste. We're just going to use around 50 ml of water for that as well. And here is our kolhapuri masala, guys. We'll go on now to the next step, which is the cooking proper. We'll start with the main cooking process, guys. Just put in the onions in the pan. We've just put in 2 tablespoons of oil here. And we'll cook the onions until they turn golden brown. Now as you can see guys, the onions have now turned light golden brown. We're going to add in the mutton now. and also the coriander leaves that we set aside. And then we are going to also add some salt here at this stage. We're going to cook it now for around 10 minutes. If you feel like, you can also add a little bit of water here in the meantime. The idea would be to just cook the mutton in the oil for around 10 minutes along with the coriander. It's been 10 minutes, guys, and look at the change in the color of the mutton. This would be a perfect time to add in the Kolhapuri masala paste. This is the magic step, guys. And then give everything a nice mix. Make sure to keep your flame to low medium at this point in time, because the slow cooking will kind of bring out the flavors nicely. You might also add some water at this stage, guys, and then just give it a nice mix. We're going to be doing this for around 15 minutes. And this is really the stage where the mutton and the spices, they get mixed nicely. This is probably the most lengthy step in the cooking process. So just keep mixing it nicely with the mutton and the spices, everything together. Additionally, you can also add some water if required. We've kept the flame at medium also. After 15 minutes, guys, as you can see, the oil is separating. Now we're just going to add 2 cups of water. Just add whatever you need, maybe 1.5 to 2 cups here. And then give everything a nice mix. Maintaining the flame at medium. Once you've mixed everything nicely, the next step would be to close the lid of the pressure cooker and just wait for around 20 whistles or until the mutton is absolutely well done. After 20 whistles, guys, we've taken off the lid of the pressure cooker. Our mutton seems to be ready. We're just going to rest it for 5 minutes now before serving. Alright, guys, so the mutton kolhapuri is now ready. It's served. Enjoy.